I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices for pairing. Charge the eWatch above 20% and keep it 1 to 2 meters from your phone. On the phone, enable Bluetooth and location so the app can detect the watch. Open the manufacturer's companion app now. On the watch, power it on and choose Pair or Bluetooth mode. This starts advertising the device. Once done, the app should show the watch ID. Make sure to confirm the matching name or code so you connect to the correct device. Next, select the displayed watch ID inside the app and tap Pair or Connect. This initiates the secure handshake. If the watch shows a PIN, type it into the phone app or confirm the digits. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. The app will request permissions for notifications, contacts, and background refresh. Grant these so features work reliably. Once granted, the app will sync time, health data, and settings. Make sure syncing completes before you move away from the devices. Finish by verifying the watch shows correct time, notifications arrive, and steps or heart data sync to the app. Open a notification and test a quick sync to confirm. If pairing fails, reboot both phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth, then retry. This fixes most connectivity glitches. If you still cannot pair, forget the device in phone Bluetooth settings and reset the watch's network or Bluetooth settings as a last resort. Doing that clears stale pair records and allows a fresh, successful connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.